Good morning, everybody. Today is on the 10th of July. Your host is Nick over here. This is the market brief brought to you by Anzo Capital Kenya. We're going to check on the market. We're going to check on what we did yesterday, and then we're going to check on what we need to look at today. A couple of fundamental technicals on it. Check on gold and Euro USD, and we're going to be having what we need to do for the day, what we need to be trailing for the day. All right. So let's jump straight to it. Let me show you what we did yesterday versus what happened. All right, here we go. So when I look on the screen over here, what I'm seeing is yesterday the buys we were taking from this point over here, and we got a buy. The buys went really good, went all the way up. They were a bit choppy in the beginning when the entry points, but really good hit take profit one over here. Didn't really go all the way up. Started consolidating back into the another level over here that it created. The sales didn't happen at all. This was the best move, but they didn't happen at all. We had this kind of pull down, got rejected. We needed a kind of to close below this point, the body, but then we didn't get any kind of breaking below that point. So we had a push down over here. All right. So Euro USD on the other side. Let's see. Euro USD on the other side. How did it go down? The buys that we're looking for above this point, we were waiting for this candle to close above. Remember what we said? We're waiting for a candle at least to close above this point so that we can push up to the upside. This is what we're waiting for, the current 15 minutes candle or something to go close above. It didn't happen. The sales did close below, but then again, when you entered, the market went fast up. It didn't really touch the stop loss, but it went on to take profit one. Wasn't really the best ideal move that we wanted, but later on we did get a very nice break now above this 15 minutes candle over here, and the market went up. I was not ready to give it a second chance. I just let it go. All right. So at some point, we say the most important lesson is to know when to cut your losses, when to walk away from the market as well. Right? You don't need to spend the whole day on the charts. Know, set some good timings, know when you're going to be trading, and if the market at that day is not really giving you what you really want to see, you can always just leave it. I mean, don't chase it, let it come to you. All right, so we're going to remove all of these, but before we do that, let's check on the fundamentals. Anything happening today? Yes. Employment change and unemployment rate on the Canadian dollar at 3:30 p.m. That's gonna be very great. It's gonna be happening. So let's check. Let's do a quick analysis on the gold and Euro USD and see. Again, keep in mind it's of Friday. So it being a Friday, we may have some minimal move or crazy moves. So you don't want to lose everything that you made during the week. Yeah. So always be cautious on Friday. Safeguard your account very well. I personally don't trade on Fridays, not unless there's an FP. The rest, I don't really like getting to the market, especially when I've had a successful week. I don't trade on Fridays. I don't like, because I know somehow the market just does a retrace of what it's been doing the whole week and takes your money, takes all the profit that you made. So we there monthly support resistance, weekly. I know it kind of looks like I'm always singing the same, like a jukebox. Like I'm always repeating the same music, but trust me, the repeating the same analysis every day, that's what gives you an edge in the market. It gives you a fresh view, a clear view on the market, and a fresh idea on where the market's supposed to be headed. Stuff like that. Yeah, there we go. There we go. I'll be picking this a bit later. Gonna call it later. Sorry, gonna give him a call a bit later. Right. On 1 hour, 1 hour. We're here on 1 hour. 30 minutes. Boom. There he is. All right, I like this. I like this. So we're gonna be looking for buys above this point on gold, potential buys for today. But again, like I say, be very cautious. It's on a Friday, man. Don't really. Oh my. Oh yeah. My webcam is way too far. Let me try to adjust it to a point where. Yeah, I think that's good. That's okay. All right. Yeah, I got some combats on today. Yeah, potential buys above here. Yeah, I'm gonna pick a sell. Should we get a break? I can pick a sell below that point over here. Yeah, because I need these ones to be cleared out. Potential sells below here. Long position going over there to that point. Good. So that's what I'm going to be keeping an eye to see. I want to break above this point, break below this point, just to continue pushing down. This, yeah, that's basically what I'm going to be looking at on gold, Euro USD. Yeah, I know the angle. I think the angle that I put the webcam is actually no. I got a nice. Yeah, it's a 1080p, 4K, 4K is 1080p HD. Yeah, but I know it's the lighting. It's the angle that I put it. That's why it's dark. When someone is saying the camera is dark, it's a bit dark. Just look at the chart, man. All right, I'm just kidding, man. Now I think it's the angle. If I put it on the other side, it's gonna be a bit too close. So I'm not really. I'm kind of fitting. My big head is fitting over there. All right, let's go over here. All right, so we got this move, and I like this move though. I like to see what would happen if the market broke below this point. But then again, let's go step by step and see what we could have in this week on the week of these moves over here. So this is the daily. I'll call this the daily resistance over here. Daily support is below this point over here. There we go. I don't really like how the USD looks crazy. I mean, it doesn't even look. It's not even encouraging for someone to trade to the USD. You know what? I think we need to try find another pair as well. The third pair that you can be doing analysis on, right? Comment over there if do you. Yeah, I think I would take you GBP GPY, but let's see, or silver as well. Silver could move, could make some crazy one. But then the good thing about silver is that the analysis is usually just almost same as the gold analysis. So yeah, so it does. What happened to my webcam? Where did you go? All right. No, I'm still here, guys. Don't worry. It's just a cam. I don't know where the webcam went. I'm not really sure why. Turned off. But don't worry, I'm still here. Yeah, technical stuff. All right. HP presence something. Okay. All right. There we go. Let's use that one. Yeah, it's another different one from the previous one. All right. Yeah. There we go. So that's where we are. 30 minutes. Looking for buys to push a bit up. Sells below this week over here. See where the body is. Sells below here. Buys above here. That's basically what we're gonna be looking. And we could expect this bounce over there just to see how the market's gonna be moving. Potential buys above here. Short order over there. All right, yeah. So that's what I'm gonna be checking out on university. It's not really good, but I don't really like it though. I would take a sell, quick sell. And USD is not really a high risk currency, so I would take the sales once the market hit this level over here, and then you can continue pushing down on it. All right. So that's it for the market analysis for today. Nothing much happening today, so we gonna be checking on we're going to be checking on and see what will happen with the market. Risk manage your accounts very well. Trade what you see, not what you think. And thank you for joining the market brief this morning. All right. Have a good one. See you on Monday. Remember, if possible, don't hold a trade tomorrow or over the weekend, if possible. All right. See you guys. Bye.